How's everybody doing? I'm doing pretty good myself. I'm enjoying probably the last nice day we're gonna have before winter comes. It's October 8th, about 70 degrees outside, and the sun's got some nice heat on it. I'm actually sitting in front of my raised garden bed. This is the first year I probably took farming, gardening pretty seriously. That's why I haven't been active on my channel lately. Been trying to learn as much as I can. Been doing a lot of research, reading books, watching videos, and I had a pretty fun time doing it. I'm actually sitting right next to my okra plants, which are still producing, even though it's considered like a hot weather crop. Still going, still pumping out stuff. I'm gonna get up and switch the camera around so you guys can check it out. Now, these guys are probably like 5 feet tall, and they have got some monster pods on them. Pretty good size. The whole bed is probably like, it's like 16 by 16. It's a 16-foot square, and then it's got a little walkway in the middle with pea gravel, which is pretty cool. This is all okra. This used to be cucumber. It's still there. There's probably still some more I can harvest off of it, but it's pretty much died back, which you can see. Look at the size of these. I was pulling like grocery bags of this stuff off. I still got a ton in my fridge. It's ridiculous. This thing was like, and it was kind of partially my fault because I didn't know that they were a vine, and I planted them so close together. It was just like this giant bush. But even with all that, I still had a really good season for cucumber. This is probably my highest producer. I got a ton of this stuff. I was giving it away left and right. I had a bunch of bok choy over here. I took it all off. It went to seed. It started bolting. You could see some over there. But these guys, these sunflowers are just ginormous. These are the mammoth variety, and they're just about dry. They started drooping, and you can see the striping on them. So these are gonna be good. I gotta take these off before the squirrels and the birds annihilate them. But I got a couple ultrasonic sensors on standby. I hope they look like they're working, because so far I haven't got any attacks. I did have some corn in the back, but that just got annihilated. But I did get the stalks. That's actually what I'm gonna do after I'm done making this video. I'm gonna set up some fall decorations. These are how big my corn was. Probably average about 6 to 8 feet. Big size. I'm just gonna put them on these poles and tie them up with some jute. Call it a day. They look really nice. I cut them down just a little bit above the base, and I tied them with some jute, and then I hung them upside down to dry. Works really well. I gave some more of it away, and I think I sold some of it. But I had probably about 100 corn plants. This used to be my zucchini right here on the side. It started getting a bunch of blight, and then I cut it back. I was hoping I'd get at least another harvest off of it, but I think it's pretty much done. But it was fun. But yeah, this ain't gonna be too long of a video. I'm coming up to 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna cut it here. But yeah, guys, I'm here. I'm gonna be making more videos. Expect to see some gardening, farming videos, as well as I got some other ideas that I want to do for videos too. But that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.